Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving into a detailed look at the highly anticipated 2026 Chery Omoda C7, a bold new entry in the compact SUV segment that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Chery has clearly gone all in with this model, blending futuristic design, smart tech, and performance in one eye-catching package. Right from the first glance, the Omoda C7 impresses with its sharp and modern exterior. The front grille has been completely reimagined, featuring a dynamic, frameless design with striking LED matrix headlights that flow seamlessly into the body lines. Its coupe-style silhouette is aerodynamic and edgy, with a sloping roofline that gives it a sporty stance. Chery has paid close attention to detail. The flush door handles, 20-inch alloy wheels, and bold rear light bar make the C7 look much more premium than its price suggests. Under the hood, the Omoda C7 comes with two powertrain options. There's a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine pushing out around 197 horsepower and a peppy electric variant expected to deliver up to 450 kilometers of range on a full charge. The petrol engine is paired with a 7-speed DCT transmission and offers smooth, responsive acceleration that handles both city driving and highway cruising with ease. Suspension tuning is on point, giving a nice balance between comfort and sportiness. It's clear that Chery is stepping up their game to compete with established global players. Step inside, and the interior feels modern and high-tech. The cabin is dominated by a large dual-screen setup that combines the digital cluster and infotainment display into one seamless panel. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a minimalist dashboard layout give it a very upscale vibe. There's wireless charging, a 14-speaker Sony sound system, and a full suite of ADAS features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. Space-wise, the C7 is roomy for both front and rear passengers, and the rear seats fold flat to maximize cargo capacity. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Chery Omoda C7 is expected to start around $28,000 for the petrol version and roughly $36,000 for the EV model. That's incredible value when you consider the features, performance, and design packed into this car. Chery is positioning the C7 as a global contender, and honestly, it delivers in all the right ways. Thanks for watching NG Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts on the Omoda C7 in the comments below.